Hello friends, Namaste. I'm your eye doctor, Dr. Ankita Sabharwal. Today we are going to discuss few things related to your eyes. We all are very panicked in this situation and our kids having online classes. We all are scared about their eyes. Trust me, don't get worried, don't get panicked. I'm here to help you. First of all, we should see that this an hour or 2 hour classes is not going to make any problem to their eyes. The problem lies when they are seeing their iPads or screen all day long. They are lying down, not taking care of their eyes, their postures. That is the matter of concern. So today I'm going to tell you few tips how you need to see, how you have to be vigilant about what they are doing. So let's start. Yes, so we need to see that when the child is sitting and he or she is taking online classes, they have to be very comfortable in their own space, in their own zone. Their head, neck, their arm, they all has to be straight, sitting on a comfortable chair and one arm distance. The screen should be at the eye level. The bigger the screen, the better it is. We need to tell them frequently blinking of the eyes. We have to tell them to look at far distance in between so that they have the stimulation of the muscles. We need to encourage them to take a Marwa chakkar of the house. Short frequent meals, they are very good. They are very soothing and comfortable. The second thing, which is really a matter of concern, which all of us are talking about, is blue tinted glasses or a zero number glasses. I would not recommend them. I would not advise my child to do that because everything has a theory or a logic behind it. The zero number glasses, if a child is not wearing any glasses, why? Why we have to give them any glasses? Why a parda to see the screen? And the blue tinted glasses not for the primary section student. When you are working on a screen for an hour or two, you really don't need them. The third thing, which is very everybody is talking about, or maybe the researchers have said that this screen time is making us do a lot of binging, which means that we are having a lot of junk food. It's making us fat. We all have to avoid it. Consciously stop it because it will lead to obesity. So in a nutshell, I would like to say that if you or a child is having problem in focusing, frequent blinking, red eye, chronic rubbing, headaches, mood swings, concentration decrease, please don't hesitate to go and show to your ophthalmologist. This COVID is going to stay for long, but we need to fight through it. Our eyesight, once it get somehow hampered, it is very difficult to get it rectified. Trust your doctor. I am trying to take all the precautions which I can. Taking a small questionnaire, see when the patient has met whatever in last 1 week, then whatever the parameters need to be checked, they are being taken care of. They have been writing on a register, placing your appointments on appointment basis, sanitizing from your OPD to your reception every time after every patient. So all these precautions are very important to keep you as well as for me. We all have to be safe. So just trust your doctor and see whatever is good for you and for your child. Don't just keep waiting for it because the normal thing, the normal world is going to come after a long time. So we all have to sail through. I hope this will be very informative for you and it will help you. Thank you so much.